Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to the Red One TV. Today I have another wig review. These two I bought from hairtobeauty.com. Now, I bought these a long time ago, so this will be my first time actually reviewing them and wearing them for you all to see. And the wigs are the Freetress Equal, the Level Up, and they her name is Monica. So I have her in two colors. This is a stock card. I believe a lot of you are familiar with this one. This is a color 1B, and I also have her in the color Hot Choco. FFHOTCHOCO, excuse me. So, pretty, right? Now, I didn't really like the length on it, like how it's all cut and tailored. So, what I did, I cut them. And what I kind of did, I wish I would have, I cut this one to my liking, but this one, I started cutting on this one first, and it looks, I tried to make it look as bobby as possible, but when I tried to make it look as bobby as possible, I just learned my lesson from this and then cut this one up and then just kind of like cut the little extra ends off, basically. So I'm going to try them on for you guys. All right, so I'm going to start with Hot Choco first. I'm sorry, before I jump into that, look at the cap instruction. Okay, so what kind of part is this? Whatever. So it's a side part, right? And it does come pre-plucked. Pre-plucked with baby hairs. It does come with two combs in the front, comb in the back, and then we have some adjustable straps right here. See that? All right, so let's take a look. Very big head friendly. Comes all the way around my edges like it should. Like I tell you, I have a funny hairline, so it comes all across my edges. It's not over my ears, anything like that. It comes all across. So, yeah, I cut it, and I don't really like the way I cut it, you know, for this color, you know what I mean? But, you know, one of these days I'm gonna wear it or, like, fix it up the way I need to fix it up. Like, you know. But this is how it's looking. But what I'm really gonna wear is the color 1B. So, let me try on the color 1B. This is more like me. Definitely more like me. So this is, I cut this one the way it should be cut. You can see that tailor back there. And I can definitely style this one to my liking for sure. But this is really comfortable, y'all. I would, since it's short, I would, after I install it, which I am going to be installing it today, I will definitely be sleeping in this. Like, it feels so good on my head. And this is, I used to wear like a short bob curly hairstyle like this like all the time, like with half wigs and stuff. And it would be like one of my favorites, you know, to wear. So like now that they have it like in the lace front, you know, I ain't got to do all the extracurricular with my real hair. I can just, you know, wear this instead. So, all right, you guys, let us jump into the wig install. Finished result. I meant to unbend this part of the lace, but it looks really good. I've learned to curl my baby hairs with a flat iron, so I like that. This looks it's snug as heck right now. Y'all, this is some good lace bond glue. Like, this has been the best so far that I've ever tried. I'm talking about better than Ghost Bond, better than Boho Active, better than the Wig Dealer Bond glue, better than, maybe even better than the Kiss, okay? So I would say this would be first, and then Kiss would be the second best for me. I'm gonna get rid of the rest of my lace bonds, like, for real. So this is some good stuff to use, you guys. I got this from Ebin, New York, from their website. $5.49. That's it. Okay. It says it's waterproof, silicone-free latex. This is the extreme firm hold one, and it's clear. It does come out like nail polish, but extra sticky. And once you slap it on your forehead, it's super duper duper tacky. So ain't moving. And today is the next day. I experienced a tad bit of lift, but it's because it kind of moved a little bit. But like once I press it back into place, it's not moving no more. So I plan on wearing this all week. So yeah, this is a go right here. This is a go. Yeah, but you guys, that is Monica for you guys. Like, I'm loving this look. I love a crinkle look. Very gorgeous to me. All right, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share it. All right. Thanks for watching my channel. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day.